Paano ba isosolve ang iba't ibang problems na pwede nyo ma-encounter sa simple interest? I hope that you have already watched all the other videos that I have previously posted. So let's start.
Okay, problem number 3 says, how long would it take you to earn 45,000 pesos if you invest 300,000 pesos in an account with a simple annual interest rate of 3%? So, kung ato ni siyang tanawon, so kung titingnan natin ito, para mo ring sinasabi na gaano katagal makaka-earn ng 45,000 pesos ang 300,000 kung ang interest rate niya per year is 3%. So, gusto mong magkaroon ng 45,000. Tapos, mayroon kang perang 300,000. So, we will write first what is given. So, what we're given here is that RP is just equal to 300,000. Okay? And then RI, interest, is 45,000 pesos, of course. These are all in pesos. And then, we have the interest rate, which is 3%. Okay, so what are we looking for here? We're looking for the T. How long? Ilang taon ba ang hihintayin mo para maka-earn ka ng 45,000 pesos? Okay, what do we have? So, let's recall the table that I have shown you in one video na mayroong I sa taas, then mayroong P, R, T sa baba. Okay, ang turo kong technique doon is that kung ang unknown mo dito ay T, ito, ang formula mo ngayon is T, kopyahin mo lang, sa taas ay fraction divided by P, R. This will now be our working formula. So, we will just substitute. You know the I, you know the P, and you know the R. So, in decimal, this is 0.03 if you use a calculator. If you did it manually, you can also write this as 3 over 100. Okay, so T now, we just substitute, replace this by 45,000. So you will have 45,000, okay, over, we have our P, which is 300,000, times, I will use the fraction, 3 over 100. Gamitin kong fraction kasi hindi ako gumagamit ng calculator ngayon. So, we have 45,000. I can simplify this. I can cancel this out para ang maiwan sa atin ay, it's like saying 300,000 divided by 100 will give you 3,000. So, 3,000 times 3, naiwan is, it will give you 9,000. So, therefore, our T now will be 45,000 all over 9,000. So, again, you can remove this para ma-simplify mo yung number. You are left with 45 over 9. Now, 45 is divisible by 9. And this is also divisible by 9. If we reduce that, it will give you 5 over 1 or 5. Since we're looking for T in years. So, 5 years. So, to answer the question, it will take you 5 years to earn 45,000 pesos from your initial investment of 300,000 pesos if your annual interest rate is 3%. So problem number 4 says, Candy invested 100,000 pesos in a savings account and kept it there for 10 years. If by the end of it, she had 180,000, what was the interest rate of the account? Our given information is the initial amount, which is denoted as P. You have initial amount of 100,000 pesos. Ito yung in-invest. And she kept it for 10 long years. And then, by the end of it, she had, okay, ibig sabihin, by the end of it, she had 180,000, meaning in total, she had 180,000 pesos. So she had, it didn't say she earned or what. So it really means it's about the total. The total amount that she had in the account was 180,000 after 10 years. So it gave her how do you call this? 80,000. What was the interest rate of the account? So, ang hinahanap natin dito, curious tayo, ano ba yung R natin? Ano ba yung interest rate para magkaroon ka ng 180,000 after 10 years, tapos yung in-invest mo, 100,000. I would like you to think about this. If this is real money that you have, is it worth investing 100,000 pesos? For 10 years, nakating ka siya dun. Gaano kalaki yung interest rate nga ba dito kung simple interest yung pag-uusapan natin? So, what do we have? Ano ba yung mga formulas or basic concepts na alam natin? Ang alam natin na the A or FV, pwedeng FV yan, or pwedeng maturity value yan, pwede. Okay? So, we know sa concept natin na ang A is equal to principal plus interest. Ang dineposito at saka tinubo. Kung nangutang ka, ito yung inutang mo, ito yung babayaran mong tubo. Okay? So, this is the A formula. Formula for A, total amount. So, pag mayroon tayong 180, tapos mayroon tayong P, makukuha natin yung I. Okay? So, pag nakuha natin ang I, then we can use the formula. Dalawa yung pagbabasihan natin. Interest equals P times R times T. Dalawang formula ang paggagamitin natin sa problem na ito. So, to get your I, you can now substitute your 180,000 equals 100,000 plus I. Madali lang. So, you can just transpose this to the other side and it will be negative, or you can subtract both sides by 100,000. So, what do we do here? So, you can also transpose it. Mas madali. Minus 100,000 equals I. So, your interest here, ang tinubo ng pera mo, is actually 80,000 pesos after 10 years. Okay. Kung alam na natin ang I, alam na natin yung R, alam natin yung T, then we can use this formula. Okay? So, let's move on here. So, we know that sa table natin, babalik ko yon, I over PRT. Anong hinahanap natin dito? R. So, therefore, R is just equal to I. Kopyahin natin na iwan. P, T. Okay. So, how do we compute this? So, ang interest natin ay 80,000 over, what is our principal amount? 100,000. How many years? 10 years. Okay. So, we know that 80,000 divided by 10, you will just get, pila? You will just get 8,000. So, 8,000 divided by, how do you call this? 100,000, you will actually get 8 over 100. So, pag actually, pag dito tayo tumingin, pwede tayong mag-shortcut. No? So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 100,000. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ang naiwan na lang sa'yo ay 10. No? Ito, oh. Shortcut. So, you will have 8 over 10. Kaya lang may 10 ka pa dito. So, you will get R is 8 over 10 times 10 is equal to 8 over 10. Over 100 pala. Sorry, 8 over 10 is just equal to 0.08. Kaya lang ang R is R in percent. In percent, what is 0.08? So, madali lang. Make it, how do you make it a percentage? Just move this point to the right twice. So, it will be 1, 2. So, you will get 8%. That is our answer. Paano ka makakakuha ng 180,000 after 10 years pag nag-invest ka ng 100,000 at an interest rate of 8%. So, yan ang makukuha mong pera. So, ang interest mo ay 80,000.
Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung other videos, please click these links on the side. These are the videos that are related to this topic.